This is my first video I'm going to be making about slime. That's why I'm doing this with my hands. And I've been spending all night doing how to make slime on my own. No videos from YouTube. Nope. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make slime with how you want your slime to be, how the sounds you can make slime like, how you can do a bubble with your nose with the slime. I'm going to be teaching you guys all that stuff. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we're started. I've been working on this slime all night. And I know it's slime because texture. When it's slime, you know when it's slime because it can do this. You roll in a ball. And it's going low and low, low. When it goes low, I do my sounds. So I'm waiting until this is flat into a... So I'm going to wait until this is flat into like a cookie shape. I messed it up, so it's gonna conjust. Again, so you also can roll it on the flow of this one again. So when that contrast, have this container, I'm talking about my container, I have slime all over me. Just wait a minute, please. Okay, thank you for waiting, you guys. It's gonna have slime in it because I tried to make slime in this container. This is a container I hold my slime in, so this is just cooling down. This container I hold my slime in, I get to stir my slime. I have this little spoon over here that has slime on it, that's why I stir my slime with. It's like wetty. So my slime's done. So that's the slime it makes. I can flip it over, do the sounds, flip it over again. If the sound doesn't work, and I flip it over again. That's the sound. I'm going to take a tiny little piece for the nose blowing. Close your mouth, so let's get started. It's not working, you guys, so wait.
Get that off of your face.
Mouth closed.
Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make
It's not working now?
DIY body wash.
So,
Hold on, first of all, let me wash this. Getting that mess. I need to get
I was going to make a bubble. I'll show you guys. I think I need more, just a little bit. Okay, perfect. Slime. So, that's my sister back there, so yeah. Just annoying her. It's usually
get that off of your face. Here, keep on playing with this so you get slow. You see? I'll just play those.
She tricked me. So.
Hey, you guys! Today we're gonna be making cut.
You guys, they made it. You guys missed it. This is gonna just run down.
Hey, you guys! Today we're gonna be making slime. So look, this is what my sister made. So that's the materials that we're gonna need is this. Something to mix with. Something to mix in.
Basically, that's what it is.
Yanni, if you do not get that off your face, you got it all in your hair still.
I'm gonna clean myself up.
The ingredients, it's baking soda and
Right now, I look like a monkey.
it's a body wash. You can use any kind. It's a body wash. So what I first do is
My mom was here right now. She would have killed me.
I take the the body wash and start pouring it. You take the body wash and start pouring it inside the
Container.
container. Yeah. Sit this down.
Held it for you.
No, because you got to right here.
So, what time mommy get off?
I do not know. She didn't tell me. Well,
I think my mom get off at 3 o'clock in the morning. Big fail.
so that didn't work. I need to go get something else.
So, yeah, basically. So, I have my bun in my head. That's the sound you make with your noise.